In an article that has since been removed, Iran's official Islamic Republic news agency, IRNA, reported that the jets, also known as superflankers, will soon arrive in Iran. In light of the article's deletion and past rumors that the aircraft began arriving in April, and statements, such as one affirming the jets would begin arriving in March, ultimately proving premature or outright false, one should take this news with a grain of salt. Still, the arrival of the superflankers in the not-too-distant future will undoubtedly mark a milestone for Iran's long-neglected Air Force, officially known as the Islamic Republic of Iran Air Force, IRIAF. The IRIAF hasn't imported any new fighter jets in 33 years, but one has to go back 47 years to find a fighter procurement this significant for Tehran. In 1976, Iran began receiving the first of 80 F-14A Tomcats it ordered from the United States in a historic deal. Tehran ultimately received 79 of them, before the 1979 Islamic Revolution ended close ties between Washington and Tehran. Despite a U.S. arms embargo and chronically unreliable TF-30 engines, F-14, as inherited by the IRIAF and often flown by pilots previously imprisoned and tortured by the new Islamist regime, fought throughout Iran's lengthy 8-year war with Saddam Hussein's Iraq, downing many enemy jets.